In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Sendgrid. We'll walk through this together on screen so you can follow along in your own Sendgrid account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a one-time email campaign and send it to the right audience using the Single Sends feature. Once you're logged into Sendgrid, start by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This takes you into the Marketing Tools area, which is where you'll create and manage email campaigns, contact lists, and templates. Inside the Marketing section, look for Single Sends. A single send is simply a one-off email blast, like a newsletter or an announcement that goes out once to your selected recipients. Click on Single Sends, and then, in the top right corner of the screen, click the Create Single Send button. This opens up the creation flow for your new email. Next, you'll choose a template. Sendgrid gives you a few options here. You can pick a pre-built Sendgrid design if you want something ready-made and professional looking. You can select one of your own saved templates if you've created any before, or you can start from a completely blank template if you prefer full control. Choose the option that best fits the email you're planning to send. After you've selected the template, make sure Design Editor is chosen. The Design Editor is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop builder that lets you visually build your email without needing to write code. It's the easiest way to customize your layout, text, and images. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure three important pieces of information. First, choose the From Sender. This needs to be a verified sender email in your Sendgrid account, which helps with deliverability and makes sure your email doesn't get flagged as spam. Next, enter your subject line. Keep it clear and relevant so recipients know exactly why they're getting this email. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want to target. Lists are broader groups of contacts, while segments can be more specific, based on things like behavior or attributes you've set up. Now move back into the design view and build your email. Using the drag and drop tools, you can add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Take a moment to adjust spacing, fonts, and colors so everything looks clean and on brand. It's a good idea to include a clear call to action and double-check links. When you're happy with the content and your settings, click Review Details and Send. Here you can confirm your sender, subject line, recipients, and design one more time. If everything looks good, you can either launch it immediately or choose the schedule option to send it at a later date and time. Once you confirm, your single send is all set and your email will go out based on the option you selected.